power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
This was our first thought when we unboxed the new ROG Flow Z13. Okay, it's not a fusion reactor, but it has an RTX GPU and Core i9 CPU inside, so it's not that far. Actually, this is the world's most powerful gaming tablet. It's inspired by the ROG mothership, which is no doubt one of the most spectacular gaming machines ever. But this time around, you don't need to be a fitness enthusiast in order to bring it with you everywhere. The ROG Flow Z13 has a weight of just 1.1 kilograms while being just 12 millimeters thin. Now, you wonder, how does the cooling system manage to handle that? Stay with us and we'll find out together. The design undoubtedly looks cool, with a stylized ROG chassis made of aluminum, covered with an anti-fingerprint coating. The cooling vents are also stylized and take a decent chunk of the backside. Then we have a beautiful glass window revealing the tightly packed components inside, lighted by RGB LEDs. How cool is that? We thought that the detachable keyboard wouldn't be comfortable for gaming, and we were wrong. The unit is great, with surprisingly long key travel, clicky feedback, and a single-zone RGB backlight. It connects via magnets, which is pretty secure, and there is a more ergonomic mode, which also eliminates the bottom bezel of the screen. Plus, it doubles as a screen protector. Considering that this is a two-in-one device, we're pretty happy with the port selection. Here we have one full-sized USB 2.0 and two USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, one of which supports Thunderbolt 4. There's also a micro SD card reader and an audio jack. The display of the new ROG Flow Z13 has a 13.4-inch diagonal and 16:10 aspect ratio. You can choose between two resolutions, Full HD Plus or 4K. We choose the former since it's detailed enough for that size, plus it has a 120 Hz refresh rate for super smooth gaming. In our tests, the Full HD Plus screen showed comfortable viewing angles, high maximum brightness, and a very good contrast ratio. It covers the sRGB gamut almost fully and has accurate colors. The best news is the lack of PWM usage, which makes it safe for your eyes in this aspect. The performance is taken care of by the Alder Lake H series of processors. There are 3 CPUs to choose from, with the top spec featuring the Core i9 12900H. In our tests, the CPU performed within expectations, leading the top charts in terms of both 3D and 2D rendering performance. In terms of graphics, you can go as high as the RTX 3050 Ti, which has a 40-watt TGP. It's powerful enough to run games like Shadow of the Tomb Raider on high settings with more than 60 FPS.
All right.
By the way, have you noticed that we missed one of the ports? This is the most interesting one. It's called XG Mobile Interface. It allows you to connect an external XG Mobile station with up to the high-end NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. Now you have a true gaming monster. In order to cool its powerful components, the ROG Flow Z13 sports a vapor chamber, 2 arc flow fans with 0.15mm fins, and liquid metal on the CPU. As you see, the RTX 3050 Ti stays cool even after a long 100% load. Also, the external temperature reaches just 41 degrees Celsius. The Flow Z13 is a bold move by ASUS, trying to bring the power of the real gaming laptops into a versatile gaming device with multi-purpose portability, and we could say that that courage pays off. This machine could keep you up all night, no matter if you're at home or somewhere on the go.